This is the Lee-Enfield rifle, one of the fastest bolt-action rifles ever used in war. Designed in the United Kingdom, this legendary rifle became the backbone of the British Army for more than half a century. At the heart of the Lee-Enfield is the design genius of James Paris Lee, whose bolt and magazine system changed infantry warfare forever. Unlike most bolt-action rifles of its time, the Lee-Enfield used a 10-round detachable magazine, double the capacity of many of its rivals. But here's what made it truly special: its smooth, rear-locking bolt. This design allowed soldiers to cycle the action incredibly fast, earning British troops a fearsome reputation on the battlefield. Trained soldiers could fire 20 to 30 aimed shots per minute, a rate so fast that enemies often believed they were facing machine guns. The rifle was chambered in .303 British, a powerful cartridge known for long-range accuracy and devastating stopping power. Manufactured at the Royal Small Arms Factory in Enfield, this rifle earned its famous name, the Lee-Enfield. From the muddy trenches of World War I to the deserts of North Africa and the jungles of Asia during World War II, the Lee-Enfield proved one thing again and again: reliability. Dust, mud, rain, heat, this rifle kept firing when others failed. Its most famous version, the SNLE, was short, well-balanced, and deadly accurate, making it one of the most loved rifles in military history. Even today, the Lee-Enfield remains a symbol of British engineering, discipline, and battlefield dominance. A bolt-action rifle that could outrun time itself. Thanks for watching. If you love legendary weapons and military history, hit like, subscribe, and stay locked for more iconic firearms stories.